Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're making a very simple but very common Mexican snack called Tostiesquites. Delicious, simple, let's get to it. For this recipe you're going to need Tostitos salsa verde. Make sure you grab the ones that are in the green bag. Optional, but you can use Rancheritos. This is another Mexican chips that go great because they're spicy, they're crunchy, or some people even use Takis. You're also going to need fresh corn, not canned. You're going to need mayo. I'm using Japanese mayo, but you can use any type of mayo. You're also going to need grated Mexican style cheese. This is called Cotija cheese. They sell at any supermarket. It looks like this. You're also going to need limes. This ingredient is optional, but you can use Cueritos. These pair up great with this type of snack. Cueritos are pickled pork skin and they sell them anywhere and they're awesome. If you don't like them, you can omit this ingredient. Lastly, this is also optional. If you like spicy, you can use hot sauce. I recommend Valentina or Tapatio, or you can also use, I'm going to use both of these, this is powdered chili paste. The first step is to cut off the kernels of the cob. Make sure you get all the kernels off. Don't leave any. Make sure that you crumble it up so they're not stuck together like this, because we don't want them like this for this type of snack. They do sell other products to get the kernels off the cob, but to be honest, this is the fastest way because you just need a sharp knife, or even a serrated knife works. Just make sure this is the fastest way. Just be careful. The other ones, sometimes they're not as sharp or they lose. It's harder to sharpen them. There you go. Just like that, remove the kernels. I also prefer using white corn over yellow corn, but this one's like a mix. They didn't really fully have white corn. It just depends on the season. Well, we have our corn prepped already. Time to put everything together. We're going to start by adding our chips, our Tostitos. I'm putting a little bit of both. Don't overfill it because we're still adding the other ingredients. Then we're going to add the corn. Right there. You can put as much as you want. And the Cueritos, put as many as you want. For me, I love Cueritos, so I'm putting a lot. Time for the best part, which is the mayo and the queso Cotija. And the chile, and don't forget your lemon. And like I said, if you don't like spicy stuff, don't put chile. And don't forget lemon. Lemon is a great combination with this snack. I love lemon, so I'm putting a lot of mine. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. This is the best part. You need to combine everything. You can continue adding a little bit more or less of each one. So I'm gonna put a little bit more corn, because this is one of the main ingredients here. And a little bit more cheese. I love cheese. And we're done. I know it looks a little bit like mess, but that's the best part of this snack. Or as we call it in Mexico, antojito, that everything mixed together is a burst of flavors in your mouth. All time for my favorite part, which is trying it out. And well, I already put chile on my snack, but no, let's be real, you can never have enough Valentina in your snacks. Just a heads up with eating this snack, it's gonna get messy. Because you can use your hands or just a fork, it's up to you, but best way to eat it is getting messy with it. So you're gonna just put a little bit of everything, like the cuerito, everything combined, and you take a bite. That is yummy. To cut the corn, they're going to call Tostitos. Get a little bit of everything in a chip like this, right? I'm already fighting with the cuerito. Come here. Okay.